Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's very nice to meet you again. It's me, Indar, mom of Ayaran. In this tutorial, I'd like to share how to make wet and dry wipes cover tutorial, or we may say 3-in-1 sanitizer pack DIY. But before I start, as usually, please subscribe, like, share, and leave your comment below. Thank you. Okay, let's get started with the materials. This is 2 pieces of fabric. I use a laminated canvas for main exterior, and we also need a flip cover for the wet wipes. And this is 2 pieces. These are 2 pieces for pocket. And we also need a zipper. I use a coil one. Main interior pocket. And these are 2 pieces for hand sanitizer pockets. And these are 4 pieces for receipt zipper. And we also need a zipper, the long one. These are for the end stopper. 2 pieces of fabric for end stopper. And these are for lining. I use 2 pieces of fabric, the thin one, thinner than the, and we also cut for the corner 3 times 3 centimeter. And this is, I use a webbing for the straps. The length is 130 centimeters, and this also have and this 2 fabric for the ring connector. And okay, let's start with making the receipt zipper. As usually, you need to make a mark. I used to make it by make a small cut, small V on the center of the panel, and here I put it the zipper between the 2 layer of receipt zipper, the good sides together, and clip it. Make sure that they line up, and we fold the ends of the panel for this zipper. It's about 1 centimeter. We fold it and we clip it so it keep in its place. 2 for both ends. Now we stitch it, and then we flip it over, and then we top stitches. Repeat the same process for another sides of the zipper. And and now it's time to make a stopper zipper. You just fold the fabric and stitches. Okay, it's done. Now we go to the next step, is making wet wipes pocket. This is the dimension. You may see the detail of how I make the pocket on my previous videos. I already uploaded two kinds of opening for the pocket. We sew it around, and then we cut a seam as you see on the video, and we fold it over, and then we top stitch it with the zipper on it, and then make it tidy, make it neat, and we arrange to make a hole for an opening of the flip. The distance from the bottom of main exterior is about 9 or 10 centimeters. It depends on your flip cover. And after you make sure you just trace the shape of the opening and cut it. Okay, now after we cut it, we stitch it all around the opening to keep the outer and the main exterior and the lining together, and fold it over the lining, and we start stitch. And now making dry wipes pocket. The technique is the same with the previous one. We have to make top stitches for the upper one to keep the pocket on its place. And now we making hand sanitizer pockets. Okay, we just fold it back good side together, and we stitches all around, but make sure that there's an opening on the bottom of it. This main exterior, and we put it good side together and stitches just one side of the main exterior. I already top stitched the top of the pocket and also the bottom of it to close the opening. We put it on the main exterior, and now top stitches. For the other side, we better make a mark first. Seam is 6 centimeters from the raw edges of the main exterior, and the distance from the bottom of the main exterior is 5 centimeters. turn the inside out and the main exterior, and then we stitch the another sides of it, which is unsewn, and we stitch the pocket, the base of the pocket. And now we will join the recess zipper with the main exterior. And here we are how I put the main the recess zipper on main exterior. Make sure that the center of the panel is meet. Pin it before we stitch it. Repeat the process to the other sides. And now we will make a D-ring connector and sew the base. And this is how I make the D-ring connector. Put the D-ring on the connector and we sew it so the D-ring is keep on its place. And now we will close the base. Just stitch the base, and after that we will make the corner of the base. If we want to make the corner, we have to make sure that the seams allowance, that the seams is lay opposite, so it will not make a bulk. Okay, now pocket and main interior. This is the fabric for the main for the pocket for the main interior, and I also add some stabilizer, or you may say it's interlining on it, and then as usually we stitch it all around, make an opening, and then turn it over. Turn the inside out, and don't forget to make a top stitches. And after the pocket ready, we put it on the main interior and make sure that their center is matched. And here I use 9 centimeter, the distance from the top of the main interior, and then stitch it, but let the upper side of the pocket open. Here I already stitched the center of the pocket too. And put another lining for the main interior and stitches. We also make the corner for the base. It's the same with the main exterior. And now we will join the main exterior with the main interior. Make sure that the position of the recess zipper is okay, so not include to the stitching. Pin it and then stitches. And we will turn the inside out from the opening we've made on the lining or on the main interior. And now we top stitches. Now finishing. Now our bag is ready. We can put the wet wipes and dry wipes and also hand sanitizer in it. See you on my next tutorial. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.